let me quickly show you this aloe vera mixture that can be taken as a drink, or you can apply it, like you can always spritz it on your hair for hair growth. Okay, so I went ahead to get my aloe vera plant. After getting my aloe vera plant, I washed it thoroughly. So you want to make sure you get the thick one, because it's from the thick one that you get the juicy parts of the aloe vera. Aloe vera plant is very good. It's good for various purposes. It's good for diseases, the various kinds of diseases, and you can use it for also different things, including hair growth. So this is the one I got, and I've sliced this into two. You can see obviously from the video that I extracted the juicy part from the thick ones. It's not as if from the thinner part you are not going to get something, but you get to extract like more of the juice from the very thick part. So if you want this aloe vera plant, you can always send me a message. If you want it as a product or fresh, you can always get that from me. So this recipe is something very easy you can make yourself. Now I went there to add some ingredients. This is black seeds. Okay, so all these ingredients you're going to see, I'm going to put the names in the post itself. So you're going to blend all this alongside the aloe vera juice. Okay, so from the video you will see how I did that. So after getting all this in your juice, you just have to go ahead and blend. You make sure you blend on a high speed so as to get the slime to, just mix together. After blending it thoroughly, you're not going to get a lot of slime from your aloe vera. That's just a fact. The slime you're seeing in the video, the sticky slimy thing, when you blend it very well on high speed blender, you're not going to see it, so it's just going to come out as liquid. Okay, so that is what I went ahead to do. I blended it very well. So then I had to sieve. You need to make sure you sieve out the juice. So this is the real deal. This is what we need. So this now can be taken raw as it is. You get all the nutrients. You see me take some, while I also preserve some in bottles for further use. So guys, just try this out and come back and share what your experience is like. On the next one.